The law has shown whatever they want to.
For what? When my name was published in the newspaper, my picture was being in the newspaper. And you want to try it will not happen. Just calm down.
Now he brings his sister to find his secret.
Calm down.
What nonsense is that? What rubbish is that? They think they can jail me, their man. They can't do it. They cannot do it. They are not learning enough to jail me. They are not educated enough to jail me. It's their man. They can't Nnamdi Kanu for the guys. They can't jail me.
No way.
When the time comes,
It's okay.
what stupid country is this? So when it's just you try somebody's secret, when you like, you find secret, when you like it's in public, what stupid country is that? What stupid country is that, I ask you? When you like, you try in secret, when you like, you try in private, they are killing my people. They are killing my people. They are killing IPOB. They are killing my people. After killing my people, you tell me all the time in secret? The person is mad. Completely mad. Tell Buhari, that's what I said. That he is mad. He cannot jail me. He cannot jail me. He's a madman. There's a contempt of court proceedings here. Contempt of court. They don't obey court order. They don't obey court order. You're telling me secret trial. Is the person mad? Rubbish. Rubbish. Okay.
I never have any stuff.
Now, we have not finished talking about that now. I want something to see that.
No. They see my face. Show my face. Did you see the background? When he was testifying against me in public?
On what ground are they going to testify?
When Buhari testified against me in public, what happened? Why didn't he get his offices? He appoints judges. Buhari has been appointing judges in this country. He should stop integrating judges. That is rubbish. People can have it, I will not have it. I won't have it. I will not have it. Buhari can integrate judges, not me. Get me that thing. Nonsense. I'm moving at the back to be rubbish. The boss have been born.
They know they are going to try me. Why did they publish my name in the newspaper?
Let me go.
In which country in the world you, as the president, you appoint your sister as a judge? She's from Casina. You appoint your sister as a judge. What nonsense is that? What nonsense is that asking? You think this is some stupid Catholic republic? Where any idiot can come anything they like? He can't do it with me. Okay, I'm here with me. Any go at hand of one. Let me tell them that. They don't know who I am. In this drug, I will destroy Nigeria completely with evidence. I will kill this country here. I have the secret. Come and push us. Come and push us outside.
For 36 seconds. You are watching. You know what is watching?